Freebie Friday. So I have some tags and some ephemera for you today. And so I thought I would just kind of show you how I'm going to be using, hey, Carol Adams Creations. And if you haven't seen the download, if I can get it, it's right here. It looks like this. There is a sheet of just generic, you know, just kind of numbers. And I went kind of with the black and I guess tan theme, parchment paper theme. And so I went with that. And then there is 2 pages of tags. And unfortunately, my printer was on double-sided. So I've got these tags and these tags. I'm going to be using the big tags. That's why I went ahead and gave this to you. I was going to do, let me just do this. I did these numbers, and I was thinking about doing a 4th of July. And then a couple of weeks ago, I did do some, a Freebie Friday of some 4th of July. So I thought maybe about using those and, you know, doing 250. And then I remembered this Sunday is my husband and I, our 46th wedding anniversary. And so I'm going to kind of create a tag for us that I can put in my memory planner of our 46th wedding anniversary. So I printed out, this was the only picture I could find on our computer of us. This was our wedding. And look at those wings. I mean, can you see them? The hairstyle, the Farrah Fawcett days, weren't they? And so our colors were yellow. And so I got this from the Graphics Fairy, and I thought this would be really pretty. So I think I'm going to incorporate the 46. And then I don't know about anything else. We're just going to have to wait. So let me cut out my tag. And like I said, this is a free download. It's on my website. Haven't really decided which one I wanted to use. Coffee stain or the other one. Let me get this. And then I'm just going to trim these with the tops with this. With scissors. So I have our little picture here. I'm going to trim it up, leave a little bit of the white around it. Thinking it, I think this is too washed out. I think I may use this, and I think I like this, and I can't decide if I want to use this 46 or the other one. I don't know yet. And see what else we have. I could use some of those. Oh, and month and year, that one's kind of cool. Because then I could put when our wedding date was. I have some lace. Ooh, that's pretty. And so is that. Oh, I have all kinds of goodies here. Ooh, that's really pretty. Too much stuff here. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Some pearls. Okay, let me just get out a couple of pieces here. and we'll figure out. So let's figure out what we're going to do with this. I did have this little yellow hanky, but I don't think I'm going to use that. And I have some yellow seam binding, but I think this might be a little too bright. So I'm going to stick with this. I like this. This is going to be cool. Then I keep all my little bits and bobs and pieces here. Keep it all in this little container. I know I want to use some music. And I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I think that might be enough. So I'm just going to stick with that. We're going to trim, and I have this little thing that I think that's pretty cool. Maybe just add it just a little bit like that. Just kind of the green, and the green goes right there. I don't know if I need to ruffle this or just leave it. Thank you, Jimmy. Let me just leave it like it is. I kind of like this one better. And put that on there. I don't know that I need that, but I do like this, but it may be too much. Can there be too much? Or maybe if I did something like that and do the 46 here. I don't think I need that. I may just add that little bit of black right up underneath there. I think we're done. I don't even think it needs music paper. I'll use the music paper on the other one. And I was going to use this on it, but I don't know if it needs it or not. I think it's good the way it is. We're just, all right, so let me get my glue and we will just get this one done. And then I want to work on the other one. We'll just kind of use whatever's left. So this is our first one and we're already done. That didn't take us any time at all. And I have this. That's a little much. That's a little much. Maybe just, I guess I could just get some ribbon or even add that up there. That's really pretty. But let's see, what else have we got on here? I like the black. It really pops on there. Oh, let's do this one. Okay, so if I did this and I did I need the 0 and the 5. Okay, 250. Just kind of snip that off. And I can add these, you know, add those with just some little brads. All right, I think that's we're on a good start here. And I have those stamps, which I just think are so cool. And I have that. All right. Okay, we're good. We're just using up a little bit of some scraps and everything that I have. The pieces from that. Oh, wow, this is going to be great. So I'm just going to kind of tear this up. And kind of put that there. Let me do that. Kind of put that up underneath there. And I've got USA. And I can have the 250 kind of down there. Scoot that over a little bit. And I'm going to find some more. I don't think it needs this. That looks kind of cool. I have these stamps that I think are really neat. I'm going to do like 3 stamps. To add to that. Keep wanting to use this. Doesn't really show up on that too much. I don't know if I have anything else. I have some darker. It's a pretty little hanky right there. Just don't think it'll work. Oh, what's this one? This one might show up. Just put that just like that. And we've got that, and then I can write on it. Ooh. Okay. Sometimes you just need to stop. Sometimes you just need to stop, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay. All right, so let's get all of this distressed, and we'll get all of this put together. Put these down and stagger them a little bit. Then I'm going to find my tiny, tiny brads and add those. And once again, I forgot to go around this tag. I thought I did that. Oh, well. I guess I just did everything else and not that. So here we go. Here's our 2 tags using some of the ephemera that's from today's Freebie Friday. Oh, our 2 tags. One for my 46th anniversary, which is Sunday. And then this one is for the 4th of July. That I'll be able to put in my planner, I